Yo, what's up you guys? We are back today and we're back in my favorite parking garage area. Let's go ahead and get this video started. Today we're going to be looking at Instagram once again, but we're going to be looking at car fails this time. I didn't feel like doing it at home again because I didn't want to feel like I had to talk low or anything because I didn't want people to hear because it's weird. So I just wanted to come out here. This is, you know, the most public I can get social distancing because there's literally nobody else on this floor, the floor below, or the floor below. If you guys like this content, I'll go ahead and make more for you guys. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because I got car content coming out just about all the time. But anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. It looks like someone's in the parking garage, obviously. Oh.
Отстань.
What? Okay. You guys can keep watching it, but oh damn! You just see right there, busted through his car, his rear window. Oh my god! I didn't even know that was possible. That was pretty crazy. I don't know why he would do that. I have no idea what the guy was thinking whatsoever. I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. That one was pretty crazy. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Why? Okay. So he Mustanged it. Just about, basically, that's what I'm saying here. Why would you do this? You just add fuel to the whole Mustang drivers. The Mustangs suck at driving. I have no idea. This is a Shelby. This thing's an amazing driver's car. How do you do this? Like, for real, it's not like you have the live rear axe or anything. You let your emotions get the best of you. What an idiot. I don't know. That's a nice Shelby too. And he just Come on. You gotta do better than that. You're gonna make everybody think that you're just a bad driver. Mustangs, be smarter. Think with your head. Let's try this one. Oh shit. I just want to know what the hell was going through this driver's mind. You're having someone film you. Don't be a freaking idiot, dude. Like, I feel bad for the guy back there, but at the same time, you should have known he was in reverse. Both dumbasses. I mean, it's made in Dumbassville. This is the geotag location right there. I can't believe it, dude. Like, why? Why must you be like dumb? You know someone's filming you. Don't do something stupid. Like, I'm sure he was probably just trying to get the reverse, you know, the reverse lights in it for an effect or something like that, but like, all right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Oh my God, what we got?
Oh shit!
Torque down your lugs. Don't be a freaking idiot. If that happens, it's number one, if he was on the road, that could be scary. Number two, it looks like an idiot. Torque down your lugs, boys. Torque specs, okay? That's all I gotta say about that. Doesn't matter. Here we go. Oh shit. That was hard. Okay. Dude, that was a hard hit. I don't know how he didn't see the car coming. Obviously, he wasn't looking at the road whatsoever, but like, how do you not see the car coming and you see the traffic, like you're literally coming up the traffic. Are you that distracted by the other driver? That looked like it hurt. That's all I know. All right, let's go ahead and move on. Let's go to this Mustang one now. Mustang drivers are killing us. Well, I mean, I'm not one, but you're killing the Mustang ego. Come on. Did he hit? First of all, people that make streets, do better, dog. Come on, like this is not okay. That's not okay. We don't pay taxes for you to make the streets look like that, dude. Come on. If I wanted to go on dips and bumps like that, I'll go on the carnival freaking slides. I don't want to do that on the roads, dude. Like, why? Come on. And this guy, he's being stupid anyway. So, but like for real though, this is a highway. This is like a freeway. So I don't realize. I don't know why they make the streets so horrible. I don't get it. And then when it comes to low cars, that just scrapes on everything, and even mine does, and I'm not even like that far from the ground. It's not like I'm an inch off the ground. But let's go on. Shit. Okay. Shit. I've seen this before. But I mean, it still shocked me at the end of it because I didn't recognize it until the hit. So that's why you don't street race. People do it anyways, but that's a good reason why not to, because that shit happens. I want to see what this is. Fuck. What was the thought process behind this anyways? Was this a good idea? Like, where is your mans? Whose whammons is this? Who let this person do this? Bro, whoever's car this is, if you let them do this, that was stupid from the get-go. Now guess what? She can't show her legs no more. If she had nice legs before, she don't no more. There's scars all over her. She's all cut up, busted up. Good luck. She can't show her legs no more because she's gonna be embarrassed of them. That's unfortunate, but she chose her fate. You chose your fate. Let's take a look at this one. That wasn't a fail, but okay. Who thought this was a good idea? Okay. I'm honestly hoping that they're sending it because they're getting rid of this car, because that suspension is gone. The front end, that bumper is probably going to need to be replaced because all the clips probably came off. Bro, I don't even want to know the damage to the front end of that car, because if you look at it nice and slow, like some stuff flies off of it already. So the bumper is done for. The suspension, well, shit, I've never seen a suspension go through that and survive. So, I mean, I'm all about sending it, but that was stupid. Like, send it in a different way. You did give some good height. I'll give him that. Hurts my heart, but it's not that bad. Something that we all, oh shit. She's honestly lucky that, bro, I saw this, there was a video of some guy was hanging out of a truck bed, and then he fell out and the wheels literally rolled right over him. And I don't know if he made it or if he didn't, but she's lucky that didn't happen to her. I don't know if she would have made it, because to be honest, this is a smaller car. There'd be a lot more to get stuck on. If you can't hold on, don't hang out. You know what I mean? What else we got here? Oh, it wasn't the Mustang. Oh wow, it even says it at the bottom. How do you crash the R35 GTR? It's literally a computer on wheels. And it's all-wheel drive. I don't get it. I don't understand it. Next, Oh, that was cool. Like some vipers that try and kill you.
What the?
That's why you always gotta be careful on vipers, because those things try and kill you all the time. A lot of times they didn't have ABS, they didn't have traction control, stability control, and they're freaking like 8-liter V10s that push out like a shit ton of torque, so. I'm honestly surprised people don't get more hurt. Like, they straight up get hit by these cars and they just like get up and just walk away. Freaking people pimp these dudes, to be honest. Like bam, bam, and then they're just gonna get up, get out the way. Well, actually, that one, that one got knocked the fuck out. Alright, we'll go with one that's not in a car. Oh, okay, alright. I don't know if he took it like in the balls or up the ass. Okay, I felt that, and I need to go lay down real quick. That shit hurt me. That's gonna be it for the video today, guys. Hopefully you guys liked it, and I'll go ahead and do some more of these. But if you like, this video, go ahead and like it. Leave a comment down there and subscribe to the channel, because I do like vlogs, car cinematics. Haven't been able to lately and shoot anything because this coronavirus. Go ahead and get out of here. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be one of these again. Peace out, boys.